In this video, we're going to be walking you through the MILWAUKEE drain cables with rust guard plating. Within drain cleaning, the drain cable really is that foundation. And without that durable, reliable cable, it's going to make it really hard for you to attack each job that you have. Within cables, rust is a major issue that you come across on a daily basis. And there are really three problems that come with rust. The first one is rust is going to cause a mess. It's going to stain the floors, it's going to stain your tool, it's going to make it a lot harder for you to clean up and get onto that next job. The second piece of this is going to be maneuverability. So as that cable starts to rust, it's going to get really brittle and make it really hard to navigate through those really tough bends. And the third piece, and probably the most important, is steel degradation. So as that rust starts to form, it's actually eating away at that cable, causing weak points. Now once those weak points are formed, that cable is going to be much more susceptible to the cable kinking. And as we know, once that cable kinks, it's going to make it much harder for you to transfer the power from the tool to be able to maneuver that pipe and eventually clear that clog. With MILWAUKEE's drain cables with rust guard plating, we're going to be delivering 20 times the rust protection as a standard cable. And you can see it just by looking at the cable, how that plating completely coats the outside of that cable. By delivering on that protection, not only are we going to be eliminating rust, we're also going to be giving you 3 times the life of that cable to make sure that you're going to be getting the most amount of jobs possible with each individual cable. Not only are our cables going to be plated with that rust guard plating, delivering 20 times the rust resistance, but also all of our attachments for our coupling cables. So our 3/8, our 1/2 inch, and our 5/8 cables will have attachments that will be plated with that same protection, as well as the connectors, making sure that you have the best connection and the best durability to make sure that those connections last the longest. So what you're going to see in this demo is how the MILWAUKEE cable is able to withstand some of the corrosive liquids that you're going to be coming across on your day-to-day job. On the left, you're going to have the MILWAUKEE cable, and on the right, you're going to have the competitor cable that we see in the market today. One of the things that you'll see here is that everything we've used is going to be something you'll find in a home: hydrogen peroxide, vinegar, and salt. And this video is going to walk you through how these two cables are going to perform in those scenarios. So in as quickly as 1 hour, you're able to see how bad that rust is actually starting to develop onto that cable. Whereas on the MILWAUKEE cable, it's going to still be able to protect against those corrosive liquids and give you a much more durable cable that's going to last much longer so that you're not replacing your cable as quickly. Now with these drain cables and accessories, you're going to be able to use them in MILWAUKEE drain cleaning products, but you're also going to be able to use these in the competitive units as well. And that's actually going to deliver better performance out of that tool. So as your cables start to deteriorate and you need to buy new cables, by adding the MILWAUKEE solution, you're going to get that better performance. Not only are we going to be delivering with a durable cable that's going to protect against that rust, we're also going to be giving you the best mix of strength and flexibility with that solid polymer core that's going to allow you to navigate some of those tighter bends, but also have the strength and stiffness to clear through some of those tough clogs. The MILWAUKEE drain cables with rust guard plating are one of many solutions that MILWAUKEE delivers on our drain cleaning platform that are going to eliminate the frustrations that you come across on a daily basis and allow you to get on more calls.